Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making this super healthy and hair growth treatment for your natural hair to keep your hair strong, healthy and long, like this very one you just see. So let's get started. So guys, this is going to be our first ingredient, avocado. Avocado protects against damage and dry hair. It also stimulates hair growth and keep your hair shining and smoothly. When natural hair have those things, it keeps the hair healthy, long, the one that is growing out and the one that has already grown. Both of them need a treatment. So for the one that have already grown, you will need natural remedy like this to keep them growing and to keep them healthy. So what I just did, I pat my aloe vera into two, like just the way you are seeing on this video. So what I will do next, I'm going to be bringing out the butter inside. Then I will put it inside my blended cup. So after putting them inside my blended cup, but I made sure that no one was left inside the avocado. I even take the last one inside. So you do the same thing because aloe vera avocado is very healthy. So I've already applied them, pour them inside my blended cup. The next one we will have now is aloe vera, my favorite. I have been using aloe vera on my daughter's hair right from when she was a little baby. So aloe vera also have a great benefit like removing the dead skin cell from the scalp, which allow your hair to grow faster. Aloe vera is amazing. It's also high in protein, also condition your hair and prevent dandruff and protect your hair from damage and with blood circulation on your scalp as well. Aloe vera is a great plant. I have been using it. If you have been following me, you will know that I'm a fan of aloe vera. I have been using it on my face, on my body, and on my, especially on my hair, on my daughter's hair as well. Aloe vera is a great plant. So you need aloe vera in your house so that you can take it whenever you need it. So I'll do the same thing that I do with the avocado. I will just take the gel inside the aloe vera, then I will be putting it inside my blended cup. So as you are watching, if today is your first time coming across my video, you are welcome. Please don't forget to press the subscribing button and the notification bell. Doing so, you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. A big thanks to you, my old and new subscriber. May the Lord Almighty bless you richly. If you are also a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. God bless you. So we move further now. After I apply it, I pour it inside my blended cup. I'm going to be blending them both together. Yes, I'm going to be blending both together. So you don't need water, don't add water to it. Try to blend it both together just like that. That will give you that consistency that you want, that you need on your hair, that will look like butter, that will look like that is, and you will see it after blending it. So I just started blending little by little. It was blending not too fast, but it blended at the end. Now I will be using my hair tie, some of my hair tie that is very good, to trim out the one that was not blend, so that then we no hang around your hair. So I will be using this to bring it out. So now I will just use my hand to press it out, to avoid the one that was not blend not to hang around my daughter's hair, because I'm going to be using this on my daughter's hair. So now I will be adding 1 spoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil is also great on your natural hair. And also I will be adding 1 tablespoon of aloe vera. And those oil that I'm using, they are 100% natural. So I will also add 1 spoon of avocado oil. Then I will mix thoroughly together. I will mix thoroughly together. So let me show you how I apply it on my daughter's hair. As you can see, her hair is growing very long. Each time we'll make a video. So she's still 2, she's not 3 yet. Her hair is super healthy, strong and long. So I have been leaving her hair for some time now because I'm working. So I noticed that her hair wants to change. That is all about natural hair. Is for you to notice when things is going wrong on your hair. Then you take just try to repair it faster. So I will just apply it on her hair from the root of her hair to the tip of her hair. I will apply it. Be generous with it, please. Be generous with it because the hair is super dry and it needs it. I just want to use it to repair her hair, to recover her hair back, and this actually help. This help a lot. This is all about natural hair. For you knowing the time to take care of your hair will just be growing and nothing will stop him from growing. Yes guys, nothing will stop him from growing. So if you are curious, we do so many amazing things in this channel. We also make a perfect and a beautiful latest wig. We also making so many things like kids hairstyle, and we will also be starting out to sew as well. Sewing mean sewing cloth and every other thing that you can sew with your machine. So if you have not yet subscribe because you will not like to miss any of those ones. So I just show you how I apply it. Now I will be closing it with my nylon bag. After closing it, I will leave it for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Then before I wash, after washing, I will just twist it down. So as you can see, I have washed it. This is the result. As you can see, the hair is shining, is healthy, and it just recover back faster. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. As I see you on my next video, please don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet done so, for so many amazing content that we are going to be showing and bringing to you. Also remember to press the notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. If you want to grow your hair and your child's hair, this channel is for you. If you want to sew a latest wig and make a beautiful African dresses for yourself and for your kids, this channel is also for you. All about this channel is learning and learning. Bye guys.